Hello, Jay Dupré here with
Melinda.
Mango Melinda, right?
Yes, Mango
right.
Melinda.
Mango
That's
Melinda.
me. Yes.
So we're going to talk about a little bit about her CNC that she's now got on. That boy, you just did a fabulous job of. Look at this happy face.
It's amazing.
So let's talk about your life right now. So you're going to the beach.
Oh yes, it's changed drastically. I am like a free bird, just come out of my shell, and I don't have to wear hair bands anymore. I can throw my hair up. I can get in the wind and be free. Still exercise and wash my hair regularly and swim. It's just so freeing. I look back on how things used to be and how I felt like I was always hiding the condition I have, which is the frontal alopecia.
Mm-hmm.
And so today I came in to have it reapplied. And I have it in a clip right now with whispers and everything. And had it colored some. So take it down and it's just a whole awesome look. This is my hair in the back. So my CNC is basically it's like a hairband, but it's so easy to sleep in, to wear, easy to go.
Don't really have to think about it.
I don't. It's part of me now. And
so with people that have this similar issue as you have, and have had, what would you say to those people? Like how, because they're going through, the same stuff you've been going through, and their heartache.
I do.
Right? And
very well.
So, what would you say to those people who are, searching for something?
Well, I would say you need to come in and talk to Jay, talk to Braju, and let them look at your condition. Be open-minded to it, and just see what they have to say. It is real hair, and so it is so worth it. And people say, well, how much does it cost? And it goes by what the amount of hair that you would need. So everyone's different, but I just am so glad. Initially, I came in here looking for a wig. I thought that was what I wanted. But CNC is a permanent thing. So I was in here a month ago, right? And had my first application. Yes, the application, get the terms right. And so I came back to have it taken off and cleaned and recolored and just spruce it up. So I won't be back for another 5 to 6 weeks. And we're talking like that is just carefree time that I can focus on things in my life, my family, my friends.
Going places.
I'm going to South Carolina soon. And I mean, it was such freedom to be able to know that I can go and I don't have to hide. And I can truly be the true Melinda that I am.
I love that. I love that.
I'm an open cannon, I know, but anyway.
But it's got you out of your house. You said earlier you were spending a lot of time in your house.
Yeah. Like a windy day would come and I'd say, it's, I have to, what do I have to do to conceal this, to go to the grocery store, or to go to a meeting, where now I can walk out the door freely. And I can throw it up in a bun and I can go exercise, burn the calories, and it's just
right. You can
crazy.
Exercise.
Oh gosh, it's crazy good. Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that. So so this has got you into working out more.
Oh, absolutely. Yes. Working out, I've increased the calories burned, and the amount of minutes that I exercise.
Why is that? Why do you think that is?
It's why I have, because it's given me a new outlook on myself, where I'm more this has encouraged me to do better things for myself.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's like opened a new gateway for me to walk through and to just take good care of myself, and this is part of it, taking good care of myself.
Right, but that's passed on to the rest of your life now.
It is. Yes, yeah.
And what would you say to your group? I know you have you have a group that you belong to, right? And
as far I have.
For your frontal fibrosis.
Oh yes.
So what would you say? Like what can help them the most? Do you think?
Oh, I think the best thing to do is to be open-minded to these new devices. It's not a device; it's a prosthetic. But be open-minded to it. Investigate. Do your investigations. Come in and have an appointment. Sit down with them and let them look at what's going on. I know some people that have just areas in their hair where there's a bald spot. Well, that's easily fixed. It's so easily fixed. I wish I had done it several years ago. I know this is a new process, but
yeah, we weren't here then.
Yeah,
but we are now.
Wow, and so I keep encouraging them because I want to be a mouthpiece for CNC and for Tousles. And for Jay, yeah, yeah, he's got an awesome staff. They make you feel very at home, very comfortable. So I can't thank you enough.
Yay. Awesome. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for sharing your message. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.